747 here. Welcome back to a brand new video on the channel. And today we are out here with nobody, actually. But today we are actually going to be doing something outdoors. Beautiful outdoors, right? But anyways, yeah. What we're going to be doing is, these. Which one's actually this one's it. This one actually blew a hole in itself, so see ya. There we go. That's okay. Alright, so now we're just basically going to be blowing up soda cans. Honestly, this is as good as a video I thought of, so I really don't know. I just wanted to do something outside. Yesterday I accidentally dropped a soda can and it exploded, and I thought, hey, maybe this will be a good video idea. So, let's explode some sodas. Hopefully they don't explode on me before I get to throw them. Alright, so soda number one, shaken. So, bombs away! Wow, that wasn't as fun as I imagined. But let me know what other content I should do with you guys. Honestly, I thought exploding sodas was going to be a good idea. But, hey. Alright, bombs away! Oh my god. Oh my god. Wow. Okay. That was actually kind of cool. But here's our last soda. I mean, I don't know what else we could do today. Maybe we could do metal detecting for stuff. And I could also show off my cat, I guess. So, yeah, let's get to it. Our last soda. Bombs away. Oh, they went everywhere. Oh my god. Yeah, see, this one blew its top as well, except it actually opened the right way. It actually opened the right way, except instead of opening inwards, it opened outwards. Pretty good, not gonna lie. But anyways, yes, I will be cleaning up this mess. This video is not sponsored by Sam's Cola, by the way. And yeah. Now we're also going to be showing you some other things around, like my new cat, the new member to our beast family, Sage, her kitty.